कैसे हो भाई लोग? Welcome to another video. In this video, we're going to be talking about how to fix your Swiggy not working. There are a couple of reasons why you could be facing this problem. So first, you want to check your internet connection. Make sure that you have a stable internet connection. Try switching between your mobile data and Wi-Fi if you are having a hard time figuring that out. दूसरा चीज़, you want to simply go ahead and force close your Swiggy application and reopen it. ये भी ठीक नहीं हुआ तो simply go ahead and restart your mobile device and that should go ahead and fix your problem. However, also try to go ahead and look for Swiggy's server if it is down or not for maintenance on your Safari or any browser by simply typing in Swiggy server down detector. It is as simple as that because sometimes what happens is the maintenance causes the server to shut down and they will go ahead and turn it back on after a couple of hours. So it is as simple as that. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below and I'll see you on the next one.